one thing you need to succeed in crypto is the right information and the right knowledge. Forget about any other motivation you are getting anywhere online. What you need is the right information. Once you know how to do what to do at the right time, when to enter the market and when to exit the market, that is actually when you start making money. I'm not telling you this for maybe to kind of increase your energy, or maybe some of you that have lost money in the market, maybe to make you feel the pains back, how you lost money, this, that. No, I'm not showing you. Okay, now I'm trading right now, but I want to show you exactly what your problem is all about, how you have been losing money, how you have been missing some maybe long-term alpha that could have changed your life so many times, but you end up losing them. Let me turn to my laptop and show you something. Now, if you look at this now, this is actually the trade I'm on now, right now on my phone. But most time people have issue after they missed a call of a trade. Watch what I'm going to do here now. Adding this line now, what's actually your problem is that you don't know where is entry zone and your exit zone. That is actually the problem you have, and you don't actually know what's a sign that you will see. That sign, a sign that qualifies you to buy and a sign that qualifies you to sell. Now at this point, this is where this coin is now. What should you do here? When should be your entry? What are you going to do? At this point, many people find it difficult to make a decision to buy. I do tell my students that whenever you see a confirmation candle like this particular candle here, this candle that is showing a drop down candle, whenever you see this candle, don't ape in immediately until the second candle is formed. If the second candle is bullish, in terms of Memcoin is what I'm telling you now. You know, sometimes Memcoin doesn't respect technical analysis, but you have to know sometimes what to do at the right time. After that formation, the next thing you will see is double bottom. Once you see double bottom, take it from there. It's going to be a bullish sign. Do you understand? Now, if you're looking at this particular first zone, now you see that after this drop down, it went up a little bit, then come back. That coming back is called taking off liquidity. That is breaking out some certain people that jumped in because of the pump. And after forming this double bottom, what happened next? This thing started taking off from there. Do you understand? Now this same thing happened here again. It happened on the first place. Look at it. After happening here, it happened on this same place. You will see a double bottom kind of shape. Hold on, I want to show you something. Now, if you look at this place, you see that same sign is here. I don't know how to mark this thing so you can see it. There is a double button there. There is a double button there that after that double button, this increase spike up, and the same thing is about to happen here. I want you to look here. Forget that I'm making a video, so I'm rushing so that it won't take much time. I want to remove this particular. So if you look at this place now, this particular place now, when should be your entry? At this point now is your entry zone. This place is your entry zone because it is showing you a correct entry zone, which is double bottom. Do you see that? Now you will see this coin will go as high as 200k. Now why is it going to go as high as 200k? Because after this first spike, look at it, the resistance point, I want to drop this, the resistance point touched here, and after this movement, it didn't stop here, which is equal to the last one. No, it breaks out and give another uptrend, another highest level. Now if this one that is moving now, remember that we entered around this 100k and now is 132, is already 30%. And if you are trading with $1,000 at now, you're having $300 profits. Do you understand? Now this thing is going to touch 212k or 215k before it will start bouncing back, which is the next all-time high that will be here. Do you understand? Now what I want you to understand here is your entry point and your exit point. And if I should enter from this 90k to 100k here, once this thing gets to 150, 180, I'm ready to go out. This is main point for you. Don't stay there. And it have already touched 147. It have already touched that 150. So if at all I'm on this trade now, at this place now, I'm already preparing to move. Do you understand? So most of you who trade with $100, if you enter $100 from here, at here is already 150. You need to leave. Even if you are keeping moon bag in case if this coin started pumping, yes, it's going to pump. We all know based on the chart, it's going to pump. But if you are doing scalping, early trade, at this point now, prepare your movement. Prepare your movement because you have already. But this coin is going to touch 220k market cap. But in case because it's a meme coin, it doesn't respect analysis. Sometimes you have to move on time. So know your entry point and know your exit point. And once you see a qualification of double button, is a symbol that you should leave. Double button is a symbol that this is already a confirmation that you should get in. After a drop down like this, if a coin drop down, don't jump immediately as it's dropping down. Wait until that drop down give a downtrend. Do you understand? Until that drop down, give a downtrend. After that downtrend, it's going to go up a little bit, which is here, which is what happened here. Look here now. The same thing happened here. After a movement, they dropped before they now move. The same thing happened here. After a movement, they dropped before they now move. So the same thing is going to happen here now. This thing is not going to touch here. It's not going to come down here. It's going to go up from here because it has given us a confirmation around here. It has given us a confirmation. This candle will not go down. Look at it. It will not come down from here. This candle will not go down here. It's going to continue this movement up until it hits this all-time high and it start going. Most of you, the reason why you don't pay attention in all of this, you think the way you learn futures trading is the way. It's actually the same way. It's actually running the same way. But most time, meme coin traders don't respect this analysis. So we that have been in the market, for almost 2 years, learning this same thing, knowing why candle break out and why they refuse to break out. All those things. When we are telling you this, just believe it. This is how meme coin run. And me, let me tell you this. Let me share with you. I don't stay in the market to earn 5x, 10x. No. Unless this is a long-term project that I believed in. But once I turn on my laptop, I want to come and gamble. I want to come and trade and scalp meme coin. All I do is I will enter 30 to 50%. I'm out. So if you are using $1,000, 30%, you are already in $300 profit. If you're in Nigeria like me, $300 is 500k. Most of minimum wage in people that earn 500k in Nigeria, they are just little people out of millions of people that live in Nigeria. So you are even above a lot of people. Do you understand? If you are going with $500 at 30% profit, you're already making $150 profit. $150 is more than 230k in Naira. So even if it is only 2 or 3 trades you take a day, take it and leave. Now, without, and if you look at the chart now, you see that the chart is doing exactly what we asked him to do. Do you see? The chart is going exactly the same way we asked it to go because it has already given us a double bottom chance. That double bottom is a confirmation that, oh yeah, it is time for entry. You see that all the way from 99k, that is where we started though, to watch this candle because it gave us a double bottom. That is what gives me the assurance to take my entry. I'm trying to clear up those things I marked there. Now, do you see? After we enter from this 93, look at it, 93 or 103 around that stage. Now, from here till 150 is already giving you more than 50% profit. At this point, you can take your profit and go your way. That is all. I prepared a 30 minutes video that is going to show you exactly all this principle. If you know you want to watch it and you want to be part of my community, then check out any link, maybe the link on my bio, the lemon button below this video. Anywhere you can find it, just find it and join our community. Let's go.